In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn your pet into human using ChatGPT. We'll start by getting you into ChatGPT. Open your browser, head to chatgpt.com, and log into your account. Once you're in, you'll be in a chat window where you can type prompts and, importantly for this project, attach images for the model to work from. Next, upload a photo of your pet. Look for the plus button near the message box, then choose a clear, high-quality picture. Aim for good lighting, a sharp focus, and a front-facing view if possible. The model does best when facial features like eyes and muzzle are visible. A simple background helps, especially if you want the rest of the scene to remain unchanged. Avoid heavy filters or motion blur, and try to use a single subject photo so the model knows exactly which pet to transform. If there's personal information visible in the background, consider choosing a different image. Now it's time to prompt ChatGPT to transform your pet. You can keep it short and direct, then refine from there. A great starting line is, turn this dog cat into a male female as a real person, keep everything else in the image the same. Paste or type that in, attach your photo, and send. This tells the model to reinterpret your pet as a realistic human while preserving the original setting, colors, and composition. If you want to guide the style a bit more, add a few descriptors that reflect your pet's personality. Think about traits you love: playful, calm, elegant, goofy, and translate them into human cues like clothing style, expression, or general vibe. You might mention hair length or color that echoes your pet's fur, or ask for a friendly smile if your pet has that warm, welcoming look. Once you see the first result, refine it. If something feels off, just describe what you want changed in plain language. You can ask to adjust clothing to better match your pet's character, nudge the apparent age, younger or older, or tweak features like hairstyle, eye color, or expression. Be specific but simple. Make the clothing more casual, add a light denim jacket, and give them a softer smile. Or please keep the background identical but make the hair slightly curlier. Iterating like this helps the model lock onto your vision. That's all you need to create a charming human version of your pet with ChatGPT. Upload a clear photo, use a concise prompt to keep the scene the same, and refine until it feels just right. Have fun bringing your pet's personality to life.